I hope you are all finished this activity. Yes, my dear children. Yes, shall we move on to the next one? Yeah, the next one is we are going to do the complete the concept map. Okay, my dear children. I hope now you are all clear and now you are all know something about the plants. Yes. Now I am going to check you whether you are know something or not related to the plants. Yes. Shall I check? Very good. Okay, my dear children. See here, this is the complete the concept map. After finishing each lesson, we have to do this activity. Okay, my dear children, we have to complete this concept map. If you complete this map, really I am sure that you know everything in this lesson. Okay, my dear children. Okay, see here I told you know plants, that is they are divided into different categories, and also they are going to ask you the uses of plants. Okay, my dear children, are you all ready to say the answer? Yes, different types of plants we saw in our previous session. Now tell me what are they? Here they given the trees, herbs and water plants. Okay. Again one more, there are three categories of plants is missing. What is that, my dear children? Tell me. Trees. The second one is shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Yes, these are all the different types of plants. Are you clear in this, my dear children? See here, different types of plants. There are 6 different types of plants. What are they? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, water plants. Okay, these are all the different types of plants. Okay, my dear children, are you clear in this? Very good. Okay, the next one is, see here, uses of plants. Before we are going to uses of plants, we are going to do this ways to take care of plants. Okay, what are all the ways we have to take care of the plants? Okay, that you have to tell. First, they given water them regularly. Yes, if we are going to grow a plant, first we have to water them regularly. Okay, my dear children, pouring plenty of water is also not good one. Okay, so how much enough water the plants need, that only we have to give. Okay, my dear children, the second point you have to tell me, what are all the ways to take care of plants, my dear children? Yes, refer they get enough sunlight or not. Okay, my dear children, you have to check it whether they are getting the sunlight or not. If they didn't get, you have to take that pot and you have to change the place. Okay, my dear children, yes, you have to regularly, you have to check whether the plant getting enough sunlight or not, that you have to cross check it. Okay, my dear children, then tell me the third point. What is the third point? In what ways to take care of plants? Should not pluck leaves. Yes, we should not hurt the plant. Okay, my dear children, we should not hurt the plant. If you are getting the flowers, means that is different. Okay, my dear children, if you are plucking the flowers, that is also different. Okay, but we should not pluck the leaves. Okay, really the plant getting hurt. Okay, my dear children, so doing these things regularly, the plant will grow in a good manner. Okay, my dear children, yes, the next third category is uses of plants. Okay, we are using the plants. Okay, what are the uses we are getting from the plants, my dear? Tell me, what are all the uses we are getting from the plants? First one is food. Okay, food and fibers, they alone given. Okay, the reminder, the rest 4 thing you have to fill it. Okay, my dear children, what are all the uses of plants? You know very well. Here they given food. Medicines, yes, in our day-to-day life we are all using that medicinal plants, no, bay leaves, coriander, like that we are using, no, that is also from the plant only we are getting. Okay, so medicines is also the uses of plants. Then oil, yes, oil also we are getting, not only the coconut oil that we are applying in our head, no, not only that, cooking oil, sunflower oil, that is also from the plant only we are getting the oil to cook. Okay, my dear children, yes, the next one is wood. Yes, now we are all living in a place, living in a house. Okay, that house is also some furnitures we are getting from the shop. Okay, so that furniture is made because of the plant. Okay, my dear children, so we are getting the wood from the plants. Okay, very good answer, well done. The next one is rubber. Yes, this is also the uses of plants. Yes, now I hope you all have some clear idea about the plant. Yes, Very good. Okay, my dear children. This is your next activity, your question time. Okay, this is match the following. Here they given the questions and here they given the answer in not in the straight manner. Okay, some clumsy manner. You have to match it. Okay, using the ruler you have to match the following. Okay, my dear children, are you ready to match it? Very good. See here, this is the match the following. The first one is water plants. Okay, read these answers and answer me, my dear children. Water plants. For water plants, what is the correct answer? Read it and tell me the answer. For water plants, what is the correct answer? Yes, water plants always grow in water. Yes, this is a very simple one. We all know very well. Water plants always grow in water. Okay, the second question is trees. Trees. For trees, which is the answer, my dear children? Read all the options, then only you can get an idea. Trees. For trees, which is the answer? Strong trunk. Yes, if you are seeing a big tree, there is a trunk is like that. Yes, so the strong tree, the trunk is always very strong. So for trees, the strong trunk. Very good. The third question is shrubs. What is that, my dear children? The third question is shrubs. Yes. For shrubs, which is the answer? Yes, thin woody stem. Okay, for shrubs, thin woody stems. Very good. Okay, the fourth question is herbs. Fourth question is herbs. Which answer is very suitable for herbs? Soft and green stems. Yes, very good. For herbs, for herbs have only the soft and green stem. Okay, my dear children, that the stem will not be in yellow, purple, red like that. Okay, only the green stem for herbs. Okay, and also the herb is always very soft. Okay, for example, tulsi and what is that? Coriander, mint leaves. These are all very soft. No. Yeah, so herbs is always soft and green stem. The next one is climbers. What is meant by climbers? Yes, I hope you all find it this answer very easily because question is also climbers. Answer also start with climb. Yes, climbers means climb upwards with the help of trees and walls. Okay, if you have walls like this, you can keep any climbers means the wall fully have the climber plant. Okay, my dear children. Yes, for example, money plant. Yes. Okay, the next question is creepers. What is that next question? Creepers. Yes, what is meant by the creepers? Grow along the ground. Yes, that is we are saying as a creeper. Okay, using the scale. I hope you are all using the scale with do this activity. Yes, am I right? Very good, my dear children. Okay, I'm going to finish this activity. Shall we move on to the next activity? Yeah, here they given true or false, match the fill in the blanks and the answer the following questions. Okay, see here, this is the true or false for you, my dear children. Now I'm going to read the questions, but I never give the answer because you have to, at least you have to do one activity at your home, no? So that this is your home fun. Okay, remainder part I gave the answers. Okay, so this true or false, just you have to guess it. This is the true or false, like that only you have to guess it. So it is a very easy one, so that I gave this to you. You have to use this. Okay, my dear children, here this is the true or false. The first question is roots carry food and water to the different parts of a plant. This is true or false, that you have to write it. Okay, my dear children, after the question completed, you have to write here. All fruits have seeds inside them. Your second question is all fruits have seeds inside them. This is the true or false, that you have to write here. Leaves prepare food for the plant. Okay, my dear children, this is the third question for you. Leaves prepare food for the plant. This is true or false, that you have to write here. Fourth one is all flowers turn into fruits. All flowers turn into fruits. This is true or false, that you have to write here. We get oil from sunflower plants. This is true, you have to write here true. Okay, my dear children. Yes, I hope you are all going to do this true or false at your home. Okay, see here, this is your fill in the blanks. See here, they given First question is dash hold the plant firmly to the soil. What is that, my dear children? Yes, roots hold the plant firmly to the soil. Plants keep the air dash and fresh. What is that? What is the word is missing here? Plants keep the air clean and fresh. Yes, very good. Pumpkin is an example of a dash. What is that? Pumpkin is an example of a creepers. Yes, pumpkin is growing in a ground level. So that is we are saying as a creepers. Okay. We should take dash of plants. What of plants? We should take. Yes, if you are saying the sentence, we can know the answer. We should take care of the plants. Yes, very good, my dear children. I hope you are all finished these activities. Yes. Okay, until then, we are finished our lesson plans. Okay, my dear children. Next slide. Next topic. I am going to give a interesting one. Okay, I am going to come here very interesting topics to you. Okay, my dear children. Yes, until then, this is your EVS ma'am. Be safe at home.